What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, gonna go over the trades we took inside the Discord as well as the plan going into tomorrow. So this is what happened today. It's the market close right now. So yesterday I did think we were gonna see a bounce, and we did. We got this bounce right at the 50 on the call side. As you guys know, yesterday the market was bullish. Why? Because on the 30-minute time frame on our Friday call contracts, the 10 crossed above the 50 here. That means the market's showing bullish, and in that case we favored the long. So today off of open, we ended up getting this nice bounce up to the 10. It couldn't clear the 10 SMA. It ended up rejecting and breaking below the 50. So I didn't take any trade in this area on the chart just because we had news at 10 a.m. So I was kind of waiting for that to settle before I took anything. I took a trade at what time? Later in the day. So if we look here on the 0-day chart, the call side ended up obviously, so like I said earlier, we were looking for bullish continuation. So what would we look for since the market's bullish on the 30-minute? Well, we'd be looking for this call cross right here, the 10 to cross above the 50. That never happened, so there was no entry really to go long. We go to the put side, we ended up getting this really nice cross. So right in this area we ended up getting a cross. Obviously news came out at 10. I waited a little bit for it to settle. You could have played this pullback right here to the 10. You got this little entry right here, and it was a nice move off the cross. And yeah, I mean, you don't buy the 50 in a trending or in a neutral market, but again, today is kind of one of those circumstances where you could take a shot at it just because the 30-minute was going negative on the call side. So most likely this 50 was going to hold, but I just waited for this reclaim of the 10 right here, waited for the reclaim, got it on this candle right here, gave this one to the Discord, and this ran like 120 points. Really nice move. We got a fat dump on like this next candle right here, 1150 candle, and it went lower right here, and I sold it all right in this area right here. We got this next leg down, and that was pretty much all out right there. We pulled back a little bit, I got out, it went a little bit lower. That's fine. I mean, we locked in like 120 points on NQ, so I can't complain with that at all. And then we did reclaim the 10 right here and then went lower. But I mean, this area right here is very weird because the candles were so like glitchy and delayed. So kind of hard to play that side of the chart. But this side of the chart, very nice, very clean day. Call us out in the Discord. I know Colton called out Apple puts. Those went like 30%, I believe. So post all the trades in the core down below if you guys want to join. Ton of value in there. It's me and Colton. We both trade the system, so there's gonna be trades coming from both of us, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. So yeah, that's what we did today. So what do we look like now going into tomorrow? So 30-minute chart right here. Cleared the 50, but we have to wait for this to cross. It still has work to do. The 10 still has to cross with the 50. 50 still has to curl, level out, because right now it's sloped down, so we're still neutral at this point. So in that case for tomorrow, if we don't cross and we get a gap up and reject this, we're gonna be neutral still. So we're looking for a call cross. That'll be like the most probable trade, and then after the cross on the calls, look for like a 10 SMA reclaim. That's exactly what I played today, the 10 SMA reclaim, and that paid nicely. So those are the trades that you'd want to look for tomorrow if we remain neutral, because if we do get this rejection right here, we're most likely going to continue like pumping, so a call cross would make a lot of sense to take. And if we do cross bearish here on the 30-minute, obviously your focus is on the short side. What will you look for? You'll look for a 0 DT cross on puts, and then after the cross on puts, look for a 50 SMA dip on puts to get some more short entries. So that's pretty much the plan going into tomorrow. Also, this is another interesting thing on this chart, the 4-hour time frame. We're either going to get, I feel like, a massive dump or a massive rip, because this 4-hour chart right here is it has the 50 SMA, so this reclaims that 10. This could possibly just send us very so much lower, because it is a 4-hour chart, and if this does get above the 10, this could really send us lower. So I mean, pretty much with that 30-minute, I'd imagine if that 30-minute crosses and we flip bearish, that we're gonna see a very nice downside move. And if we do reject that 30-minute 50, I'd imagine we see a really nice upside move, because this is gonna cross a negative here on the 30, or not the 30-minute, on the 4-hour, and that should send us like higher. So I mean, those are all the scenarios going into tomorrow, rest of the week pretty much. So just look out for what I said. Make sure you guys know how to like trade these charts, because it's more than just playing across. You got to know the different scenarios depending on where the market goes. We got to plan for both sides always, and that's the most important thing. So yeah, drop a sub if you guys are new. Hope you guys enjoyed. Join the core down below if you want to learn. I'm out. Peace.